Hi friends, welcome to this session. In this video, we will install Docker on Linux operating system. I'm using Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version, and you can check by using cat command. Let's go to the browser and type in Docker install Ubuntu. Click on the very first link, that is the official site of Docker, and you can see the OS requirement. It says 19, 18, and 16, but might be in future the Docker might add the 20 LTS version here. That shouldn't be a problem. Let's continue with the steps. And the very first step is to uninstall any older version that is already installed on the system. So let's copy this, go to the terminal, paste it, and hit enter. So looks good. And it says that it's okay if the apt-get reports none of these packages are installed. So that is good. Let's set up the repository. The next command is to update the repository so that it can installing the packages to allow the app to use the repository or HTTPS. So let's do that. So it looks good. So the next is to add the Docker's official GPG key. Hit enter. Okay, looks good. Next, let's verify the fingerprint. Back to the terminal and hit enter. And we get the similar output that we have on the website. So that is good. So the next command here is, if you look at here, the LSB release, what it does, it pulls the version of your operating system and tries to add the repository of the of the Linux Ubuntu version. But the Docker does not have the 20.04 LTS version, so we might need for now we might need to use any of this version. Let's use Bionic 1804. So what we will do is, let's copy this onto Notepad or any editor that you already have. Okay, so let's paste it here, and let's use Bionic and copy this. Let's go back to the terminal, paste it, and now hit enter. And you can see that the Bionic is added to the repository. Now let's, for the next step is to install the Docker engine. Before doing that, let's update the apt-get, paste, hit enter. Perfect. Now let's install the Docker engine. Copy, go back to the terminal, hit enter. Okay, in my case, there is an error just because I was playing around with the multiple versions of Docker engine installation. But in your case, you might see no error, and the Docker engine should be successfully installed. Let's see in this case, let's see if the Docker is successfully installed by entering the docker command. And you can see that yes, it gives all the commands that you can use with Docker. So let's verify the Docker installation by pulling the image hello world. Let's copy paste this, go to the terminal and paste and hit enter. and you can see that the image on the system is not available. So what it does is the next step is tries to pull the hello world latest tag. So that's it. We installed Docker and we also verified the Docker installation.